Tucked away in the Blue Ridge Mountains lies an extraordinary place called Turtle Island Preserve. It's owned by a man named Eustace Conway, who you might recognize from the History Channel show Mountain Men. Well, each year they host boys and girls summer camps where kids age 8 to 18 can learn really cool heritage crafts and skills, like blacksmithing and even oven making. Thanks to their warm hospitality, I got to visit Turtle Island and learn from Janice Durand about 3 special crafts that you can make at home with adult supervision: primitive jewelry, a poplar basket, and a carved wooden spoon. Let's take a look at the first.
We're here with the girls camp at Turtle Island Preserve, and a lot of our activities we do are using materials that come from nature and that we create with our hands. For example, one of the activities the girls love is we find these river rocks, and they're sedimentary rocks, and we make a necklace out of them or a bracelet. This is a finished necklace, and we oil it up at the end to make it nice and shiny. But what we do is we take igneous rocks, like these quartz rocks that are a lot harder, and each girl will just start drilling a hole. And we're basically working with a hard rock with a soft rock. And it's really great to be by the river, and you just kind of dip it in, and that water element really helps to soften it. And it actually makes a pigment, and some of the stones make different colors. So you can see right there how I'm starting to get a little bit of a divot, and some girls will pick larger stones and it takes them longer, and some of the girls get through it in an hour or 2. I don't know if you can see that little hole that's being produced there, and we keep going until we're through that stone. And then the next part we do is what's called cordage. And we take different fibers and we make really strong rope out of them. And all indigenous people on the planet know cordage. It's almost like a language that all indigenous people know. And this is like a really big piece of it that I did with leather. And you're twisting and you're twisting. And they twist back on each other, and it's exponentially stronger. And so this is the fiber, the inner bark of a tulip poplar tree that you're later going to see baskets we make. And you get fibers, and you basically start doing this. You twist, and then you twist it over. So we're doing that with the inner bark of some tulip poplar that's been what's called redded, or like kind of decomposes a little bit, and that is soft enough but not so decomposed that it loses its integrity. And this is addictive, and you can do it with a lot of things. I've tried it, like last week, outside my cabin a black snake shed its skin. I smelt the smell in the middle of the night. It was raining, and when I came out of my cabin, it was there. And I actually did cordage with a snake skin for the first time. So I'm always looking for, like, what material can I do? You can do it with newspaper. I've done cordage with newspaper, and it's so strong you can't pull it apart. So that's basically it. You keep on going until you work your way through, and then the girls come to I call it the cordage tree because I hang some of the cordage down from it, and they find the cordage, and I teach them each how to do this until they make their necklace. And a lot of them wear them proudly, and a lot of them make some for others. It's a little bit of primitive jewelry making at Turtle Island Preserve. So,
To learn more about the Boys and Girls Summer Camps and Turtle Island Preserve, be sure to check out their website at turtleislandpreserve.org. or call 828-265-2267.